Good morning students. In previous video we have started EVS chapter 15 Water for All, and now we are going to start back exercise of this chapter. So let's start. Okay. First we read new words. Jamindar, a person who owns land. Impurities, things that make water polluted, for example mud and waste particles. Purify, clean and remove germs. Now read this. 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered by water. We have already learned in this chapter. There are many sources of water. All the water available on the earth is not fit for drinking. Water needs to be clean and purified to make it fit for drinking. Let's answer. Tick the correct answer. Write them on the blank. Okay. Now 1. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by land, trees, water. What is the correct answer? Water is the correct answer. Okay. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. Okay. Now second, water that is fit for drinking is known as dash water. Which? Potable, potable, stored. Which water? Potable? Not. It is not. Potable? Yes, it is potable water. Okay. Now 3. The water supply department collects water from rivers and lakes and purifies it in dash tap treatment plant, underground pipes, water treatment plant. Which is the correct answer? Water treatment plant. It is correct answer. Okay. The water supplies department collects water from rivers and lakes and purifies it in water treatment plants. Okay. Now 4. Water is dash, so we must not waste it. Precious, costly or natural? Precious. Water is precious, so we must not waste it. Okay. Now next is fill in the blank. Water is used to produce dash what? What produce? Electricity. Water is used to produce electricity. Okay. Now next, we must drink at least dash glasses of water every day. 8. We must drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Okay. You also. Water helps dash to absorb food from the soil. What? Plants. Plants. Okay. Water helps plants to absorb food from the soil. Answer these questions. Why do we need water? Why do plants need water? How do people in village get water? These questions we will do in next video. Now the D. Think and answer. Tick the correct answer. Write them on the blank. When we make chapatis, we need water to dash. Clean the dough, knead the dough, heat the dough. So knead the dough. This is the correct answer. Plant need water to dash. Live and grow, be happy, be cool in summer. Live and grow. Okay. Plant need water to live and grow. When we have to take a tablet, we need water to dash, swallow the tablet, make a paste, Clean the tablet. So what is the answer of this? Swallow the tablet. Okay. So question answer we will do in next video. So today you will learn this work. Okay.